Let me tell you about our boat and fishing trip. Our 36-foot sports fisher offers a safe and stable ride, with plenty of shade, comfortable cushions, and an on-board bathroom. We always stay in calm, smooth waters, regardless how hard the wind may blow. The Rampage offers 2 trips daily. Our morning fishing trip is between 10 and 1 p.m., and a sunset fishing trip, which is our most popular. On the Rampage, every person has a fishing pole, every person is catching fish, and every person is laughing. On the Rampage, we see a lot of wildlife: dolphins, turtles, stingrays, and seabirds. As the boat leaves the dock, our mate Bonnie immediately begins trolling. We troll out the harbour, past the houseboats, where you can catch a barracuda, tarpon, or even a large jack. You can drive the boat as we make our way to either the reef or a wreck in about 15 to 20 minutes. We set the chum bag and you begin fishing with live or cut bait. We catch yellowtail snapper, grouper, grunts, mackerel, bluefish, and many other reef fish. As a general rule, each person catches 10 to 15 fish, and on each trip we catch 1 to 3 sharks. Our mate will assist you with your fishing experience, putting on your bait and removing your fish from the hook. We keep the fish that you are going to eat in our aquarium, so when we return to the dock they are still alive and fresh. Then they are filleted and bagged. Then you can take them to your favorite restaurant. The best tasting fish are the fish you catch. While your mate is cleaning your fish, you feed the tarpon. Feeding tarpon is a Key West experience, not to be missed. Rampage only takes 6 anglers per trip, and the best part is, if only 2 people book, the boat still goes. Due to limited space and price, we book fast, so make your reservation early. Be sure to like our Facebook page to see our daily catch. Captain Barry and your master fishing mate Bonnie welcome you aboard for your memorable day of fishing.